Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's June 1st and we're going to do a garden update in our garden extension area here. And down here is where our butternut and buttercup squash are, and which they're starting to get loaded up with the fruit here. We have our glass gem corn down here, which we're not planning to thin any of this corn out. We'll just leave it go as it goes. We have purple hull peas. As you can see, we have some that are shorter and then, you know, younger, and some that are older. And the reason for this is we had leaf cutter ants come out here and we didn't pay attention to it, and they had clipped out some. We have our dent filled corn over there. We've got our sweet potatoes here. These are doing good. These are the orange sweet potatoes that we grow, that we've been growing for quite a few years. We have our green beans here. Now, our green beans are really putting on blooms. Won't be long, week or two, couple weeks. We should start cropping these. And up here we have our sweet corn, and it's doing good. I still haven't got out here and laid it back. And then we come over here, we've got our acorn squash, and it's doing good also. Got plenty of them down there. I did see a bigger one earlier, but I don't know. There it went. It's getting a little bit bigger. Over here we have our purple sweet potatoes, and they're doing good. Hopefully they'll get after it before the grass tries to take over. Up here we have our red curry squash, and they're definitely getting loaded up with fruit on them. And then over here by the fence, we have our North Georgia candy roasters. Now, these will take over. I'll have to send this one back the right direction. But these are definitely taking off, and then they're putting on some squash on there, so won't be long. These will be doing good. But anyway, that's where we're sitting in the extended garden area. And if you want to see more of my videos, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified. Give it a big thumbs up and share this video. It really helps my channel. Happy gardening.